Alright, well,
Cameraman, quit.
guys, we're back here. We got the four-wheeler hooked up right here. Hopefully it'll hold on.
We're about to try.
I'll try.
Okay.
Right now, just because I want to point out.
Come on, bro, get on it. Randy got it.
We got it out, and your tires ain't wanting to turn too well.
Yeah, I seen that.
Yeah, no wash. That's good. Well, we did bang on it last time. At this point, I'm just gonna yank it up. But it says turbo, and I see no turbo.
Yeah.
Didn't see that. Missing a few parts, ain't it? Yeah, I have to actually run more parts. But I mean, we could get. Yep. So we do got a decent amount of parts. Oh, I'm out of gas.
Oh, you are?
That just helps. Wondering why it weren't running. Yeah, should have checked that. We can leave it here if you want.
Brother, this guy stinks!
My friend. Was it stuck in? Alright, I just have to do it with that. I can go get my folder if you want to. Yeah, hopefully I can make it a little ways. Yeah, see, that's good. Here, baby, try to jump on it. No, that wasn't it. It was just, I can get my, the reserve thing was broke off. So it's not hard to push. Here, you steer.
1,000 years later.
Now I gotta get up to you. Sure, I can get my figure. Just up here in the shade.
Oh,
The man has fainted. Man down.